Hello YouTube. Today, I embark on my biggest challenge yet. Come on.
What is up to those who may be viewing this video? Today, we are going to be checking out Bond Lake. Now, those of you, or most of you who may be watching this video are like, you know, what the hell's Bond Lake, you know? Well, it's this trail. I don't know, I'll throw up a picture in the editing or something. But it's a little lake up in the mountains. Will I reach it today? It is 4 o'clock, maybe. I also want to check out the waterfalls that are up there, things like that. Also, new mic. If you guys think this mic is a lot better, let me know. If you guys don't think it's better, let me know. So, we're gonna continue up this road and see what's in store for us on this lake. Catch you guys there. Well guys, please pray for my car suspension, but we made it. So, let me try and get some better lighting. Holy shit. There we go. Well guys, we made it. Jesus Christ. Well guys, we have made it. Current temperature is not very hospitable. And I've just now learned that the Bond Lake bridge is out. Big bummer. But we'll go anyways. Because adventurers power through adversity. So anyways, I think that's the correct direction. I'm not sure if I'm right or not. I have this nice little map to help me along the way. By the way, this environment is quite nice. If you guys want me to do a camping trip out here, let me know in the comments. because I'd love to camp out here, especially farther up around Bond Lake or something like that. I believe we are going the right direction. If not, then we'll find out eventually. But yep, catch you guys soon. Well guys, take a look at this. Nature in its full glory. What a beautiful world we live in. Anyways, if this video gets a whole 10 likes, I will do a solo camping adventure. If you guys would like to see other content, whether how I build my ghillies or what I carry with me on adventures like this, let me know in the comments down below as we continue. We are in the Swan Lake area of Flathead National Forest right now. I'm hearing a lot of creatures. I hope they don't mind visitors. Looks like someone made a pretty good drain there. Good job, team. Anyways. Oh, wow. Take a look at this trail, guys. Absolutely stunning. You know, forgot what I was gonna say. Because just look at the nature. Oh, did you guys see that? Something just rustled these bushes over here. Some sort of fucking bird. Wow. Bridges out. More like bridges in business. Take a look at this thing, guys. Woo. Oh yeah. Some nice looking water too. Might have to grab a sip. Wow guys, just look at all the vegetation all throughout. If you guys want to see me do a ghillie test video in this environment, let me know. I will be down. Take a look. It's a rising hill. Trees kind of cleared out in this area. Bunch of vegetation coming in. Even when it's shaded, still a ton of vegetation. And a very good trail as well. Thanks to all the Forest Service trail workers for making this a hospitable place to walk. You guys hear that? Water. Very quick water. Got that. Snow runoff, I reckon. It's not every day you can come out and see beauty like this, guys. I mean, truly remarkable stuff here. If you guys also want to see airsoft gameplay videos, let me know. I will be glad to film those as well with you guys. But man, is this valley gorgeous or what? Guys, trust me, I don't have a double chin. It's just my beard under the mask. Whoa. What we got slinking around? I don't know where he went, guys. There's a pretty cool snake just coming through this trail right here. I don't think he's too fond of seeing me around his parts. Snake guy. Someone's been trumping. It wasn't me. Any fungus experts, let me know down below. Who is this guy? And who sent him? That's about as natural as you can get, guys. Whew. Tastes like freedom. Tastes like free water. Untaxed. Oh. This thing leaks a little bit. Oh. Well, guys, that water, remarkably delicious. Cold, refreshing, tastes like a Life straw filter. Can't get much better than that. Or can you? We made it, guys. Wow. Listen to that thing roar, guys. Holy smokes. Absolutely thunderous, guys. Sounds like there's a damn airplane going through here. Whoa. You can feel the breeze coming off this thing. Natural AC. Holy cow, guys. It is currently 6:13 since the start. And we made it to the fall. If you guys want to see me go further, go up to Bond Lake and camp, stay overnight. Maybe even here at this waterfall. let me know. But now I think it's time for some lunch. Some well-needed lunch. Looks appetizing enough. Let's give it a shot. You can feel the air blowing off of this thing. Just crazy. We're gonna get some water for my spaghetti. And we're also gonna taste it, see how good this water is out here. I'm expecting nothing less of excellent. Let me know in the comments how deep you think it is right here, guys. Thank you, nature. Alright. Who's out here littering? It's not very nice. So if you guys are wondering just how long it takes to come and visit this waterfall, it doesn't take very long at all. In fact, it only takes about 1.5 miles to come out here, enjoy nature, and view this beautiful waterfall. Only 1.5 miles. Took me a little longer because I was doing some filming along the way for you guys. But if you want to come visit this place yourself, I highly suggest it. This is a wonderful spot and a wonderful time to dig in to some spaghetti. So here we have Mountain House freeze-dried spaghetti with meat sauce. Looks pretty appetizing to me. It looks like our water is just about ready. So, I guess it's time to try it out. I'll tell you guys just how good this meal is. Alright guys, it is now time to make our way back to base camp. And also, if you guys think later this week if I should go down there and swim in this opening right here, let me know in the comments. I'd be glad to go take a dip, but not a lot of sun left, and I wasn't planning on staying the night. So I guess it's time to make our journey back. Remember guys, 10 likes on my last video and I'll do a solo camping trip. If you guys enjoyed this video so far, if you made it this far, please be sure to hit that like button and subscribe if you want to see more content from a guy like me. But let's make sure we have all our items. Okay. All right. And we're off. If you guys want to see ghillie videos as well as stealth camps, things of that nature, setting up tripwires, stuff like that, let me know in the comments down below if you guys want a hardcore like pretend operation video where I have a designated area to go in and scout with my ghillie and everything of that nature. So be sure to let me know down in the comments if you guys want a pretend operation. And also let me know how many people you think should go. And also let me know if you guys would like to see airsoft videos. I've played airsoft quite a bit. If you guys want any specific gameplay, sniper gameplay, I have a DMR or I have an LMG. So if you guys would like to see any of that, let me know in the comments down below. We want airsoft footage. And I will tend to it. But I think a pretend operation would be very fun. So I don't know, maybe I'll do both. We'll see. Next video, possibly an airsoft one. One after that, possibly a pretend operation. So I can't wait. Well guys, we made it back. What a hike. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Great hike as always. And remember, 10 likes on the last video, I'll do a solo camp. Be prepared for a fake operation video as well as some airsoft videos in the future. Stay tuned, Gorilla Nays Army.